So y'all see that I have my little bitty suitcase. This is like a 20 inch. It's not even a standard 22 inch or 21 inch. It's a 20 inch. I got it from when I was in Spain a little while ago, well, some years ago, and I've been carrying it ever since. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack my unmentionables that I pack in a separate bag. I'm gonna pack my toiletry bag. I'm gonna pack a pair of shoes. I've got my sneakers I'm gonna wear actually on the plane. Dr. Wendy and I discussed whether or not I should bring my boots since we're gonna be going through in fall, right in September. But I thought it's gonna be between 83 and the low of 53. So in my head, she was saying, do you really think that you should be wearing boots and it's gonna be 83? That seems too hot. But in the Bay, people wear their boots all the time. Wouldn't you say that, Dr. Wendy?
I would agree.
Yeah, but I'm not. Yeah, I guess, if you want to wear your boots, I probably would wear them on the plane and have another pair of shoes inside your bag, or like the same thing with your sneakers. So, like I said, it's going to be pretty warm weather. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bottoms. So they're all jeans. I've got some skinny jeans. I've got some regular jeans. I've got a pair of capris. I've got a cute little black dress that I'm going to wear. And then I've got another outfit, a bottom and a top that I can wear for dinner if we want to go somewhere cute as well for dinner one night. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blouses, plus a little jacket that's like waterproof in case it rains. And then I've got a little blazer. So if you were wanting to change, you would do maybe a sweater. I've got a long sleeve sweater, but 80 is kind of, mid temperature. So it just depends on how you want to do this. I'm going to get all of this in this little bitty suitcase. So I start with my shoes. I'm going to put them at the very bottom. No stress. It's just regular loafers is what I have. When you take your bottoms, I always roll them up. I fold them to the side, long ways. And what I do, because, Dr. Wendy pretty much puts all my clothes together for me. So I take a top with my bottoms, and so I have this cute little green number here. It's a little blouse. I fold it up in half, and I'm gonna fold it in my jeans. And when I fold very tightly, and so I'll have it all the way up, and this will be what I roll and put in the bottom of my bag. Same thing with my other pair of capris. So I've got these capris. They're really cute with the cute little top. I have this cute little number that I bought. It's like a little baby. What do you call this kind of top, Dr. Wendy, when it has a little frilly thing, like baby doll? Isn't that what that's called?
Frilly.
Frilly. Okay.
You think he's so funny.
So then I wrap my capris up in my little frilly top. And I just keep on rolling, and you roll as tight as possible. And then again, I put it in the bottom of the bag. Same thing with another pair of capris. These have a little bit more of an embellishment on it. I'm gonna pull them to the side. And I'm gonna grab another one of my tops. It's this white top here. I wear it with my high-waisted jeans because Dr. Wendy says that's what you do when you're wearing skinny something or something.
Because it's cute.
Oh, okay. That's what
fix your line. Yes.
Yeah, the line. Okay.
Yeah, so you're not a bubble.
I roll again. Now you do know that we're going for 5 days. So at the end of the day, there's no reason for you to pack any more than what I'm packing. I'm only packing this many clothes because I want to give you an example as to how much you can get in a carry-on bag without having to check one and have a big super suitcase. So I'm putting in in these pair of jeans, a sweater, and I'm gonna roll that up. Again, it's just as tight as possible. Somebody's asked me before, well, Karamel, what if you have to iron? The hotel will have an iron. And I put that in there. Now I've got that, remember that cute little outfit I told you? I've got these flowery type of, I don't know, they're those kind of pants that blouse out, wide leg. Is that what it's called? Yeah, wide leg. Put my top in there, and then I'm gonna roll it up again as tightly as possible. This is gonna be light material. Again, we wanna try to be as comfortable as possible. I'll put that in the bottom of the bag. Then I got this cute little black number. It's like a little baby doll dress, like a dress. It goes great with my loafers, like a pair of, what are you doing? Get away from me, little girl. I'm gonna roll that up. It's a cute little dress. Put that in the bag. I've got another sweater that I can wear, lighter sweater. I'm gonna roll it up because this is gonna be one of my extra shirts, because remember, you've got bottoms, you can wear that with another, with the bottoms, right? Typically you can wear your bottoms maybe once or maybe twice, sometimes even 3 times. Same thing, I've got another little top that has some cute little flowers on the sleeves. Dr. Wendy says I should be trying to wear something with a pop of color, because typically, if anything, I'll be color blocking with just one color, because that's what I do. I got a cute little blousey shirt that I could wear with my jeans and dress it up at night. It's got a little, what do you call this? This peplum, yes?
Peplum, yes. Look at you.
I know, right? I'm getting the hang of this whole fashion thing. Not really. So then I roll this shirt up as well. I put it in the suitcase. Like I told you, I have this rain kind of light little jacket. I don't know if we're gonna need it, but for purposes of this video, I'm showing you how much I can get inside this little bitty suitcase. And remember, we're only going for 5 days. I've packed enough for like a whole week and a half. Put that in the suitcase right there. So now I've rolled all of that up. I'm gonna wear this blazer on the plane. I always usually have a blazer or something, because I do get clothes on the plane. So I'm gonna leave this to the side. I've got my toiletry bag I'm gonna put right here on top. I've got my unmentionables, and there you have it. What I have done is packed all of those items in a carry-on bag. I still have a little bit of room, and boom, I can even put more stuff in here if I need to. I'm actually gonna put my house shoes in there. I didn't even put those in there yet. The other thing that I do is I carry a nice carry-on bag, and inside my carry-on bag, I always have a bag that can go over the arm of my suitcase. So then it's right there on top. It just makes a difference for me. I am gonna bring my computer. I typically work at night when we're on a trip. I also bring a separate crossbody bag that I wear when we're going out. This carry-on will stay in the room, but this crossbody will go when I go out, when we go to the winery, when we start doing our tours and our wine tour and our train and all of that. Inside here, I have my noise canceling headphones. We're gonna be in America, so there's no reason for you to have this. I haven't unpacked since I got back from Croatia 3 weeks ago in my carry-on, but that's okay. So that's how you do that. What are your questions, concerns, feedback?